Now at 5:30, the federal government is suing Rex Healthcare after a woman was fired for refusing to get a COVID vaccine. Good evening and thanks for staying with us. I'm Julian Grace.
And I'm Ashley Rowe. The lawsuit says the woman had been given a religious exemption for the flu vaccine. It says Rex denied her an exemption for the COVID vaccine. WRAL's Destiny Patterson joining us now live with the key argument in this suit. Destiny.
Well, as you mentioned, this lawsuit here, it focuses on the COVID vaccination policy here at UNC Rex. And in it, it says that Heather Goller requested 4 separate times to be able to opt out of that policy, but she was denied every single time.
This new lawsuit claims UNC Rex fired an employee who had worked there for more than a decade. The reasoning, refusing to roll up her sleeves for the COVID-19 vaccine during the pandemic. It says Heather Goller's Christian beliefs prevented her from getting vaccinated. It specifically said that her body is a temple of the Holy Spirit and subjecting it to man-made vaccines is a defiling of it. It also says her position did not require direct patient contact and she worked remotely. The hospital granted her an exemption for the flu vaccine in 2019 and 2020, but then fired her the following year when she didn't meet the COVID vaccination requirements, according to the lawsuit. I asked UNC Health why Goller received an exemption for the flu shot, but not the COVID shot. The hospital system says it's reviewing the lawsuit, but it doesn't comment on pending litigation. The EEOC is asking for back pay, legal fees, and compensation for both financial losses and emotional suffering.
I did talk to Goller very briefly today, but she didn't want to comment on this lawsuit. The EEOC is also asking for a jury trial to determine whether Goller should be getting back pay for those lost wages and for other damages in this case. Destiny Patterson, WRAL News, live in Raleigh.